Hello, my wonderful fourth grade students. It's so good to see my superstars. I miss you guys very much. The good news is that Mr. Cadis is doing really well. So fingers are crossed that soon I'll be able to come back and see you in person. But until then, I've got kind of an important message today. This past week, you took the MAPS test for Mrs. Ruffing for ELA in reading. And I know that she offered you some incentives for doing your very best work. And since Mrs. Ruffing doesn't get to have all the fun, I want to talk about my incentives with you also. So first of all, remember that the MAPS test is really important for me because it tells me where you are and what I need to do to help you be better at math. So it's really important that you do your best work on the MAPS test so that I see really what you need, all right? And it's designed to be a hard test. It's not designed to be easy. And the better that you do on the test, the harder the questions that they start to give you. So all that I ask as you go and work on the MAPS test is that you take your time, slow yourself down and show your work, and that you do your best job. Concentrate and focus. So what do you get if you do a good job? Well, if you get just the teensiest bit of a better score than you got the first time we took the MAPS test this year, I will happily give you a signature pass. Now, if you do a little bit better than you did last time, I will happily give you a signature pass and a homework pass. So you get both. And if you really focus and do your best work, and you do way better than you did when we took the test in the fall. Or if you were already super high and you stay super high, then in January, when we come back from the holidays, I will happily give you a signature pass, a homework pass, and we will have lunch in the classroom together, and I will supply some kind of special treat for you. All right? So I hope that you all get a good night's sleep, eat a great breakfast, and come in the day of your MAPS test ready to do your best work. That's all that I can ask, right? Is that you concentrate, focus, and don't give up. Use all of those skills that you've been learning all year in fourth grade to show me everything that you know. Because I know that you can do hard things. All right? I miss you guys, and I cannot wait to see you again soon. Have a great afternoon, and do your best job on that MAPS test.